things I study is how climate change influences populations of natural species. So we're here in the Wrangell Mountains of Alaska, which is one of the places we work on the project I'm going to describe. And we work in sites from New Mexico all the way to the Arctic, and this is in subarctic Alaska. So I'm going to show you the plant that we collect data on, and then show you what we actually do to collect data. So these are moss campion plants, and they occur, as I mentioned, all the way from the high mountains in New Mexico through the mountains just behind Boulder, all the way to the Arctic. So these are their flowers, you can see here. You can zoom in on those. And we actually have marked and mapped individual plants we come back to study every single year, and have been doing this for over 20 years at most of our sites. And so we're trying to understand how climate influences the biology of these plants, but in particular with an eye toward what climate change is doing to them. And so the data we collect involves kind of 2 or 3 different things. One is we just ask, is this plant still alive? Some of the plants we've been studying have been alive the entire time that we've been doing this study. We also ask how big they are, and that's the kind of data we collect in that case is basically 3 measurements to get size. So we get their longest axis, which in this case is about 106 millimeters. Their biggest parallel axis, so this is about 88 millimeters. And then how much of the sort of perfect idea of an ellipse is missing from the plant, and that's probably in this case about 10%. The other thing we do is count how many flowers or fruits they make. And so this plant actually is making 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fruits this year. And so this is the basic data we collect on, as I said, on many thousands of plants. We also look for baby plants, basically new baby plants around some of the plants to quantify reproductive success.